Welcome to today's video, how to fix it. Today we are going to change trip levers. So we bought this one for Menards, and actually this one is not working properly. It's yesterday it's breakdown and it's not working now. So we have hard to flush out the water, so we are going to replace it or change it. So we want this part like toilet tank trip lever, so we are going to change it. So first you open the lid of a water tank, and as you can see, we are going to remove the old one. Just loose the screw and yeah, like this. So you can take it out. So actually this one is not working, see this one. So we are going to change it, and actually this one is broken from here, as you can see, broken from here. So that's why when we push it, it's not drain the water. So first you can enter from here and tight it. Actually this one is going into this part, in the black one, because it's holding this stick. So you can pick up this black one part and the white stick holding it, and this black screw tight here. You can tight it properly. So it's almost done, and as you can see, we can install the new one. And we are going to put back the water tank lid. That's it. So this is a very easy way. Now you can try one time it's working or not. I'm going to flush. Let the tank first fill with the water, then I'm going to flush it. Okay. So I'm going to flush it. See, it's working properly. So it's very easy. You can do it just in the we bought this part in from Menards, and it's cost around. It's a cost around the $5. So it's very cheap if you can change by yourself at home. I hope you like the video. Like, share and subscribe, and also comment too. Thank you. Bye.